Hi there, this is going to be the 8th episode of the mini snowcat build. In this part, I'm going to be cutting out some pieces of 10 gauge plate and bolting it onto the side here. I'd like to have one set of idler wheels right up front here, just to extend the quote-unquote wheelbase of the machine. And I think by adding a piece of plate on either side here and over there, that's going to do what I want. So the plan is to take and cut that out of, there's two pieces of 10 gauge plate here. They're welded together from another project, but I'm going to take those cardboard cutouts and transfer those markings onto this and cut this out on the bandsaw. So here we go. Here we are. I've got the first track modified. I'm liking how this is working out so far with the front idler wheels. I'm also getting some good ideas on how I'm going to attach the track assembly sliders to the crossbar of the chassis. But at this point, I'm going to have to stop because I need the bearings that are going to hold the front drive shaft in place, and I need to get that front drive shaft mounted before I can really start to finalize where everything's going to mount up. But as you can see, overall, things are looking really good. But that's where I'm going to leave it for now. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you later.